Hey everyone, it's Nancy O. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and click that subscribe button. For all my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. So today we're gonna get right into it. Of course, you guys know it is Christmas season, and I wanted to put together some really cute looks for you guys to be inspired once again. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the field we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha, bells on bottom ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride on the night. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Whew. So without further ado, we're gonna get into what I have for you. Let's get into it.
Get out, but it ain't that easy. Work 9 to 5, can't sleep at night. My money's all spent. I do anything and I go crazy. Whoa, miss the days when I was.
I think it's very important to have signature pieces in your closet at all times. That's why I'm able to rewear outfits numerous times and it be like new all over again. Signature pieces are the way. If you don't know what a signature piece is, this jacket is like a signature piece. I was able to put it together with this blazer. Most people wouldn't think to do that. And if you're that person that wouldn't think to do that, hire me. I got you. I put it together with this inside and then along with these white pants. I had a belt over it, and the belt also matched this clutch purse from Demoiselle. It's like a snake skin. It's really nice. Matched perfectly with some red shoes, and I was good to go. I look like a queen. So a tip that I will give you guys is this. When you're shopping for an item, any item, clothing item, try to look for things that you know people won't pay attention to and put it together with other items. So let's say you find a nice top. You see the top here. You find the pant here, you find whatever, and piece them together. So major thing, pay attention and go for the items that most people would not pay attention to. And then put it together with other items and make it your own. And rock it with confidence. And when you have that, you good, boo. You are Gucci. You are great.
Lights are out, system down, and trying to pay rent. I gotta work it out, but it ain't that easy. Work 9 to 5, can't sleep at night.
I was inspired by this look. Just know that I needed something cute to go with the skirt, and that's what we did, and that's all, period. Don't ask questions, just work with me here, okay?
Money's all spent. I do anything and I go crazy. Whoa, miss the days when I was 18. Whoa.
So now you know you can actually use your lingerie and make an outfit. Like, what? Because now look at it. I turned something super provocative, something super sexy into a whole church outfit. What you talking about? What you saying? Come on. So I had never had a top like this before. So this is the Lolita top. It's from Demoiselle, shopdemoiselle.com, I believe. I'm gonna have that information for you down below. So I got this top, and I was kind of trying to figure out what I wanted to put with it. One of the things about me is that I'm really good at planning outfits. I'm really good at planning. When the day actually comes for me to wear it or wear something, I end up not wearing it how I had planned initially. And now I just kind of go with the flow. Like, I don't like to force too much of outfits that I put together. So when I first got this top, I had plans to wear it with the skirt that you see in the video as well. The ruffle skirt, the red ruffle skirt. I tried it on and I was like, maybe it'll work, maybe it will work, maybe it won't. And so today, when I actually put it together, I remembered that I had a dress. This ruffle dress. I call this my Tina dress. And so I thought to myself, so what would it look like if you put this dress on this?
Lights are out, system down, and trying to pay rent. I gotta work it out, but it ain't that easy. Work 9 to 5, can't sleep at night. My money's all spent. I do anything to not go crazy. Whoa, miss the days when I was 18. Whoa, wish that I could turn back time. Whoa, take me back, please someone save me. 'Cause I'm not that good at real life. Oh, take me back in time. I'm not that for real life.
Thank you guys. Stay tuned for my next video. Subscribe, like and comment, and follow me on Instagram at It's Nancy O, at ITS Nancy O. And if you need styling services, hit me up as well. You can send me an email, or you can go to my website, www.glowstyles.com, and I'll have all that information for you guys down below. Okay? All right.